Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pay for things on Shopify manually instead of using credit cards or PayPal or any other app. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this from the actual store owner's perspective, and I'm going to be explaining how you can do that if you're a shopper or a client on a different store. Now, what you're going to want to do to set up billing or manual payments is you're going to want to go to settings and then go into payments right over here. If you scroll down, you'll see manual payment methods, and you can add one, and you can add bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. You can select whichever one of these you want, or you can click create a custom one, which you need to name, then add the details and the payment instructions. So for example, you can name it whatever you want, add the details of how a client is supposed to pay so that they can have an instruction set, and also you have the payment instructions, which you can add to more clearly display how you can tell your clients to pay you for your items or your services. Now you can add that, or you can add bank deposit, where you need to again add additional details and payment instructions, and most of these look similar. As you can see, the menu is exactly the same. You just need to add the details and the instructions, and if you add a custom one, you can very easily just name it yourself and make your own payment method. Make sure it is completely legal in your country before you do, so that you don't get in any trouble legally. And if you want to shop on an online store on Shopify, all you have to do is search for the option for a manual payment, and then you'll see those same instructions that the owner has set up so that you can more accurately pay them and receive your goods or services. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.